back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about backyard patio makeovers. We're gonna go from this to this, and you can do it too. To start this makeover, a good cleaning was definitely needed from last year. So I began by removing all of the furniture, washing the windows, power washing the slate flooring, and getting the party started. So this was the first time, guys, that I've actually used a power washer, and it was quite interesting. It was fun. It was easier than taking the hose and just spraying down. I was actually able to get inside of the window cracks, wash off the stucco, and it was well worth the money. After power washing and removing the furniture, I wanted to tackle the lighting. I've always wanted to have an environment where you can go out and you have cafe lighting. Lighting totally sets the mood. It gives you the ambiance of relaxation. It gives you the mood of enjoyment, laughter. Not only that, lighting makes your skin look good indoors or outdoors at night. So I had purchased the globe lighting about 4 or 5 years ago, and I knew when I saw those that I was going to use them in the outdoor space. It has just taken me forever to actually execute this particular project. The globe lights are made of metal, and then they have a natural kind of like jute fabric wrapped around the metal. And what I decided to do is actually wrap Christmas lights. These are just Christmas lights around the particular globe, and utilize that for the overhead ambiance. It's time to move the patio furniture back, and I needed to solicit a little bit of muscle. So the hubby is helping me move the patio furniture back and getting things in position to see if this is the way that I actually like it. I love this beautiful rug that we're placing down first. The black and white geo pattern is spectacular. Now it's time to replace the patio furniture and organize it in terms of the seating arrangements and the way that I wanted to style it this year. This particular furniture is a rattan, and it was purchased from Big Lots. I've had it about 4 years and it is in excellent condition. The 2 swivel chairs and the sofa, absolutely love this particular patio furniture. I will link the description if it's still available. It was last year. Since this is an outdoor living space, I wanted to make sure that we had enough seating for additional guests if we're entertaining. And so I've actually placed 2 additional picket wood chairs outside of this immediate living room area. And then over to the left, I have permanent seating that was made from concrete. So it's just like bench light. It goes completely around the post. And I thought it would be great to add additional seating around the post area in a backyard because the post is functional. It holds up the balcony, but oftentimes it's a little awkward into an outdoor space. So I added the seating around there so people can sit. There's additional pillows that have been placed in this area, and it just makes it functional. But not only is it functional, it's aesthetic pleasing to the eye when you're just looking out into the area. Here I'm adding new white pillow covers to the existing brown. This is such a great tip for designers, or things that designers will actually do when you want to give a new look to something that is old. And I do this quite often from year to year. I may switch it to a beige, a white, a green, but for this year, this particular sofa, we're going to cover it with the white cushions. And this is the ultimate reveal. I just love the way the backyard patio turned out. It is truly enjoyable with all of the vibrant colors, the new fireplace, the comfy pillows, the faux green plants. It is the perfect stay vacation. I absolutely love this patio at nighttime. The globe lights just glisten on your skin. It sets the mood for everything. And this fireplace with the fire coming through, it is absolutely to die for. Here's the front view of this living room. It's absolutely amazing from the pool. It is like fire. It looks like another atmosphere when you're standing here. You know what? To be honest with you guys, I think I'm at Disneyland. I am amazed with the lights and the way this turned out. The fire in this fireplace is amazing. It is absolutely so inviting and it's warm. Then you get to see some of the green that's popping in, the blessed sign. I just want a constant reminder of how blessed I am to enjoy this space and to be able to wind down. I've added little pillows and wicker baskets, topiary plants. The wall art is amazing yet inexpensive, guys. It's just a little bit of color, black, gold, white. I put it on the pillar so that the pillar wasn't just boring. I absolutely love this space at nighttime, guys. I get so excited when I see this and when I turn on the lights. I actually want to come out here and spend time out just to wind down and relax, have a glass of wine or sparkling cider for some of you people. It is just absolutely amazing. Look, I love this green plant that you wouldn't see ordinarily outdoors. And then I'm looking up again and the globe lights are just glistening. This year I chose the color green, and I want to say that was the best decision that I made. This particular green is called Spring Green, and it's one of the 2021 colors of the year for Dunn Edwards and Sherwin-Williams. It's giving me a wow factor fresh, just inviting, and it's not boring, it's not dull, and it plays off of the gray and the browns. It is the perfect outdoor color for this season. So I mixed up this color green with these gorgeous pillows. You've got the pattern green here, and then there's a plain green. It's just a Kelly green. The ambiance is just perfect again. And then I paired it with the designer fabric, printed fabric pillow, black and white. So I mixed it up with that black and white fabric and then that rug. Can we talk about that black and white rug, guys? It is like, wow. When you step out, it's like, I didn't expect to have this much. And the rug is an outdoor rug, so I don't have to worry about spills. It will come off fairly easy. Can we talk about the outdoor lamps? That mercury glass, it's absolutely stunning. This project turned out way better than I expected. I am elated. I'm overjoyed with the finished product. All of the color, the lights, the fireplace, that was worth every single penny to take away the coffee table and add the fireplace. Absolutely stunning. I am totally amazed. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe to this channel.